Hey guys, in this video we're just going to be really quickly going over how you can create a graphic to use on social media to let all of your customers know how you're doing and basically just check in with them. And this is something that's really important right now. Make sure you're staying in touch with your customers on social media, and we're going to create a design really quickly. So, all right. My company uses Canva.com, Canva.com. The reason we do that is because, to be honest with you, I am so terrible at design. It is not my thing. I've never been good at design. It's something that's frustrating for me. I will spend hours and hours and hours doing this stuff and basically get nowhere. So Canva makes this really, really simple. You can create something and you can do it in 2 to 3 minutes. All right. So far this video is at 1 minute and 9 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and create a design. Let's see how long it takes. All right. So you can basically choose anything that you want. They have all different things that you can make here. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. And let's call this Business Toolkit. How to manage your business during just completely ridiculous in the first place, because obviously there's no good way to manage your business during a pandemic, but we're going to do whatever we can, right? Because we don't give up. So we'll put that down there. Let's go over to the left-hand side here. We can add something all the way down here, and I'm just going to say Brand North and growth consulting, since that's what we do. And I can even add another one over here with our website. Alright, and it'll line everything up for us so that it is perfect, and that's that. Hope you found this helpful. 2 minutes and 55 seconds, by the way. So we did this whole thing in, less than 2 minutes.